Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best road flares are probably one of the most important safety gadgets to have in your car, providing a reliable and convenient way to alert other drivers to potential hazards, especially during nighttime breakdowns or accidents. Unlike traditional flares, battery-powered options eliminate the risks of burns and fire hazards, offering a safer and more user-friendly experience. In this video, we will explore the top battery-powered road flares available on the market, comparing their brightness, battery life, ease of use, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. LED Road Flares Emergency Lights. This safety kit is a must-have for any vehicle, providing crucial roadside assistance in emergencies. It's also a thoughtful gift for friends and family. With 9 different flashing modes, it offers versatile SOS signals for various emergencies, from road accidents to marine situations. It's also great for camping or hiking. Never worry about dead batteries again. It's rechargeable with a long-lasting battery and includes a USB charging cable. The indicator light shows charging status. It's waterproof, crush-proof, and features strong magnets for easy attachment to your vehicle. A folding hook and flashlight mode add extra convenience. We stand behind our product and offer fast, reliable customer support. Contact us if you have any issues, we'll help you resolve them quickly. What we like. It features a rechargeable battery, eliminating the need for constant battery replacements. Its waterproof and crush-proof design ensures durability in various conditions. The magnetic base allows for easy attachment to your vehicle. If you prioritize convenience and long-term use, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. In practical use, these things are bright. I have driven along the road and there was a car on the side of the road with at least 3 of these running that circular pattern. You would have to be blind not to see this from quite a distance. Each beacon has options for laying down flat, standing on edge, hanging from the built-in hook or using the built-in magnet. The 9 different light patterns are shown in the included review video. They also include a flashlight mode. The units are made of super sturdy orange plastic with a rubber, grippy feel. They also have a strong magnet on one side if needed to stick to metal. They have red LEDs along all the sides, and white LEDs on one flat side without hook. They're bright in the sun, super bright in the dark. Number 4. LED Roadside Safety Disc Kit. It's a perfect gift for new drivers. Each kit includes 3 roadside safety discs with batteries installed, a carry bag, and a multi-tool. Plus, you get bonus batteries, a car seatbelt cutter, and a whistle. Unlike other brands, it comes with long-lasting batteries. The upgraded design prevents battery drain during storage, saving you money. They're made from crush-proof ABS material and are IP67 waterproof. It floats, too, so you can use them safely in any condition. With 15 bright LEDs and 9 flashing modes, they're visible from over 5,200 feet. Use the white LEDs as roadside flashers or safety lights. Say goodbye to traditional flares and the risks of fire and burns. These are safe, reusable, and perfect for camping and boating. As an American-owned business, we're proud of our product quality and offer a strong replacement policy. Buy with confidence. What we like. This kit comes with batteries pre-installed, saving you time and money. It's DOT compliant, meeting safety standards. The included bonus items, like a seatbelt cutter and whistle, add extra value. If you want a complete, ready-to-go kit with added safety features, this is for you. What people say. The carrying case is easy to use one-handed. Each light worked well, the magnet did stick on the side of the vehicle, even on a dirt-covered area, without any problems. The light is bright and very noticeable. Lights are very sturdy and bright. The brightness is great. We've had them over a year and batteries are still fine. They're very compact. They're very affordable. Number 3. 6-pack LED Road Flares. This isn't just another roadside kit, it's a comprehensive solution designed to keep you safe in any emergency situation. It includes everything you need for roadside assistance, all in one convenient package. These aren't your average flares. They're equipped with super bright LEDs and multiple flashing modes for maximum visibility, ensuring you're seen from a mile away. No need to fumble around with batteries. They come pre-installed, so you can focus on what matters most, your safety. Instructions for replacing batteries are included. It's built tough. These flares can withstand heavy rain and even being run over by a car, while the strong magnets ensure they stay securely attached to your vehicle. Give the gift of safety to your loved ones. It's ideal for new drivers, frequent travelers, or anyone who values preparedness. It's a thoughtful and practical gift that shows you care. Get 6 high-quality LED flares, a flashing disc, and a convenient carrying case, all at an incredible price. It's the best value emergency kit on the market. What we like. This economical 6-pack offers great value. Each flare features a powerful magnetic base for secure placement. Their durable construction ensures they can withstand harsh conditions. If you need multiple flares for increased visibility or want a cost-effective solution, this is the ideal option. What people say. They are bright and have several blinking modes, which is helpful. While it may not be an advertised use, I used them for Hello Chopper landing for a medical airlift, and the first responders' flare didn't work well for signaling the chopper's landing. The flares made it very visible and helped the chopper land safe for an airlift. They seem extremely durable. The settings are more than sufficient for many types of road conditions and well thought out. I found my favorite setting. I will prefer to have 2-3 on the roadway and 1 on my car when needed. They are quite bright and have multiple light setting patterns to suit most any user. The zipper case holds everything in one container and is compact. The mini kit also comes with a side automotive window breaker in case of water entrapment. These do work well and is good quality. Come with mounting bracket or simply put in your glove box. Number 2. Twinkle Star Emergency Flares. These emergency flares provide high visibility with super bright LEDs, ensuring you're seen from up to a mile away, day or night. It offers 3 different flash modes, strobe, SOS, flashlight, and solid light, to suit various emergency situations. Powered by 6 AAA batteries, included, it's ready when you need it. Remember to replace the batteries every few months for optimal performance. The durable, portable case makes it easy to store and keep it handy in your vehicle, saving valuable space. It's perfect for traffic control, as a warning light, a rescue beacon, or any emergency situation. Its magnetic base and detachable stand offer flexible placement options. With its bright lights and multiple functions, it provides essential safety and peace of mind during roadside emergencies. What we like. These flares boast high visibility, ensuring you're seen from a distance. They offer multiple flash modes for different emergency situations. The solid case provides convenient and secure storage. If you value bright, versatile lights and compact storage, this is a great choice for you. What people say. The visibility is impressive. They emit a bright red light that stands out significantly compared to traditional puck-style emergency lights. Their height, about 8 inches when placed in the included stands, also gives them an edge, especially in snowy conditions where low-profile lights might get buried. Better visibility than the puck disc-style LED emergency flares. They flash a bright red that's brighter and more visible from a distance than the wagon Fred lights, and the height is an advantage for visibility. Well-made LED flashers for highway safety. Strong magnetic bases for attachment to vehicle or just use included folding base mounts for ground mounting. The 3-way switch provides flashing or continuous red light, also white light. More convenient and safer than igniting flares and more visible than the puck-style flares. Number 1. Twinkle Star Emergency Flares Kit. This kit is your new best friend for roadside emergencies. Its bright lights ensure you're seen from far away, day or night. With its super bright LED array, it offers incredible visibility. You'll be seen from up to a mile away. It features 3 different flash modes, strobe, flashlight, and solid light. Choose the mode that best suits your needs. It's incredibly easy to use, simply turn it on. Remember to replace the batteries after a few months for optimal performance. The durable storage case is compact and portable, making it easy to store in your vehicle. It's always ready when you need it. It's perfect for traffic control, as a warning light, or as a rescue beacon in any emergency situation. It's a versatile tool for peace of mind. This kit includes 4 flares, batteries, and a convenient storage case. Everything you need is right here. What we like. These flares boast high visibility, ensuring you're seen from a distance. They offer multiple flash modes for different emergency situations. The solid case provides convenient and secure storage. If you value bright, versatile lights and compact storage, this is a great choice for you. What people say. The visibility is impressive. They emit a bright red light that stands out significantly compared to traditional puck-style emergency lights. Their height, about 8 inches when placed in the included stands, also gives them an edge, especially in snowy conditions where low-profile lights might get buried. Better visibility than the puck disc-style LED emergency flares. They flash a bright red that's brighter and more visible from a distance than the wagon Fred lights, and the height is an advantage for visibility. Well-made LED flashers for highway safety. Strong magnetic bases for attachment to vehicle or just use included folding base mounts for ground mounting. The 3-way switch provides flashing or continuous red light and also white light. More convenient and safer than igniting flares and more visible than the puck-style flares. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.